everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to get a little scary today in our series, and we're going to do an It Halloween mani using some new products from Sundara Nails. Sundara Nails released their Halloween collection, so two of the colors that we're using are exclusively in that collection. All the gel products that we're using today are Hema free, and they're also 21 free. Now the first color we're diving into is Fluffy Whites. Now you're going to notice here that this coverage is everything. It is the most opaque one coverage coat white ever. It is beautiful. It is everything. It's also back in stock. So if you've been waiting on this color, head over to Sundara Nails. I do have the link in the description box below. You need this fluffy clouds in your life, especially if you like white nails or backgrounds for nail art or using white for nail art. It's just a great color to have. And you're going to see the color pay off with 2 coats versus 1. And we are on day 12 of the 31 Days of Halloween series. Remember, there is going to be that image that's going to pop up today. That's going to be the image you need to remember to enter into that Google form for your entry for that giveaway. I will warn you today, if you've noticed, the images that we've been using are kind of themed based on the mani that we're using. So if you can guess the theme, we are doing like this It horror movie kind of mani. It is going to be kind of more on the scarier side today. So just forewarning you with that image, it is the same themed as the mani that we're doing today. All right, so let's dive into this mani here, and then I'm going to pop back in just a little bit. Alright, so we're just wrapping up this decal nail. I'm going to go ahead and do a layer of gel base on it just to seal in that decal and then cure it for 30 seconds. Here's the decal nails. They're very creepy, but yet perfect for Halloween. Then to finish off this mani today, we're going to go in with a layer of gel top coat on all the nails, and then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. If you are in the market for a new nail lamp, I do have suggestions in that description box below. But here is the finished creepy mani for today. I do really like it. I like horror movies, so this one was definitely really fun to create, and it inspired clown mani. And these colors from Sundara Nails were amazing. You could see the gels in action today, that they're very full coverage and opaque, and they do not apply streaky or patchy, which I love that about gels. If you haven't tried anything from Sundara Nails, definitely head over there. There's a lot of other colors to pick from. Especially if you're into the Halloween season, there is some new spooky Halloween colors. I also do have a discount code in that description box below. Alright, so don't forget that image today. That is going to be the image to enter in that giveaway. And everything that we use in today's mani, including these decals, can be found in that description box below. And I'll see you all in tomorrow's spooky one.